Uh-huh.
This T-shirt
You, oh, a t-shirt. Okay. Aside from a t-shirt, baby, like, do you
is
like to wear some jackets?
a rocket
Oh, and also a jacket. Okay.
and
So now,
star.
mm, okay. All right. That's nice. Okay. So first we have the warm up. So learning objectives. So in this lesson, you will learn how to talk about colors and clothes. So exercise one, we have again the warm up. Listen and repeat these words with your tutor. So first, let's say blue.
Blue,
Okay, next, green.
green,
Okay, next, yellow.
yellow,
Okay, next, orange. Ano na yung bonus?
orange,
Okay, next one, red.
red,
Okay, next, pink.
um, pink,
Okay, next to the pink, baby, what color?
purple,
Okay, once again, what is that?
purple,
Okay, can you repeat it again?
purple,
It's purple. Okay, can you say it? Purple.
purple,
Okay, next to purple is
black,
black. Okay, next to black is
brown,
okay, brown. And then
gray,
gray. Okay, next to gray. Oh, and the last one is we have
white.
okay, white.
Hmm.
All right, so now baby Mian. So let's practice answer the questions by filling in the blanks. So for example, what color is it? So it's
It is,
blue.
it is
Okay, it is
blue.
blue. Okay, so once again, what color is it?
It is blue.
How about this one? What color is it?
It is purple.
Okay, purple. How about this? What
Uh,
color is it?
it is green.
Mm-hmm.
Orange.
Okay, it is orange. How about this one? What color is it?
It is red.
Mm-hmm. Next. So first we have orange, blue, purple, and red. So next we have the exercise number 2, vocabulary. Listen and repeat these words and sentences with your tutor. So first, let's say a t-shirt.
A t-shirt.
Okay, next, I'm wearing a t-shirt.
I'm wearing a I'm wearing a t-shirt.
You wash your hands. Jeans.
Jeans.
Okay, next.
Uh, he is wearing jeans.
Okay, he is wearing jeans. Okay, let's say hello here. A skirt.
Skirt. She is wearing a skirt.
Okay, next, a dress.
A dress.
Mm-hmm.
She is wearing a dress.
Okay, she is wearing a dress. Okay, next, a sweater.
A sweater.
Mm-hmm.
She is wearing a sweater.
Okay, very good. Next,
Pant.
uh, a shirt.
A shirt.
Okay.
He is wearing a shirt.
Okay, he is wearing a shirt. Okay, next.
Pant.
Mm-hmm.
She is wearing a pant.
He is wearing a pants. Okay, next, a suit.
A suit. He is
Okay.
wearing a suit.
Okay, he is wearing a suit. Okay, how about this one? The last one.
Suit.
Mm-hmm. Shoes.
He, he is wearing a shoe.
All right, she is wearing a shoes. Okay, so now, baby, let's practice. Okay. answer the questions by filling in the blank. So right now we have this. What are you wearing?
What are you wearing?
Okay, what's your answer, baby? You need to tell me your answer. So first we have what are you wearing?
What are you wearing?
Okay, so wait, let me have this one. All right, okay, so I'm wearing, you need to give me the answer, baby.
I'm wearing a suit.
Okay, next. I'm wearing a suit. Okay, next one. What is he wearing?
Uh, he is wearing jeans.
Okay, he is wearing a jeans. Okay, next. What is he wearing?
She is wearing a sweat.
She is wearing a dress. Okay, how about this one? Is she wearing jeans?
No, she is wearing a dress.
Okay, no, she is wearing a dress or a skirt. Okay, as you can see, we have here a skirt. So now, next, we have exercise 3 dialogue. Read the dialogue aloud with your tutor, and you are going to be Arisa. Arisa and Ling are talking on the phone. So now I will be Ling, baby, and you are going to be Arisa, okay?
Okay,
Okay, what are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a yellow t-shirt
Mm-hmm.
and a skirt. How about
Okay.
you? Are you wearing a skirt today?
Okay. No, I'm wearing a suit. Saba, saba,
What?
saba.
What color it is?
All right. It's a gray suit.
What
Nicole, uy, taba
color
kayo, ana. Uy!
are your shoes?
Okay, just wait, baby. Just wait for me, baby. Baby Min. My shoes are pink.
Cool. Do you like wearing a suit?
No.
What do you like wearing?
I like wearing a t-shirt and a jeans. Okay, so now, nag-clean na ka diha? All right, so now let's have exercise number 4. We have the matching. So tell your tutor the correct answer to each questions. Okay, so first I will be reading you the question, baby, and you need to tell me your answer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Number 1. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a yellow dress.
Uh huh. What color is it?
It is black.
Okay. Next. Yes. What is he wearing? Okay. Can you say
He
it again? What
he
is
is
he wearing?
wearing a suit.
Okay. He is wearing a suit. Okay, next. Are you wearing a purple shoes?
Yes, I am.
Okay, next. What does she like wearing?
She like wearing a t-shirt and jeans.
Okay. So what color is the t-shirt?
It is green.
Okay, it is green. Next, baby, we have exercise number 5. Fill in the blanks. Read the dialogue aloud with your tutor and fill in the blanks. You will be Ling. Okay, so Miriam and Ling are talking on the phone. So are you ready, baby Minsan? Ay,
Yes,
Minsan, Mindong? Okay, so now, what are you wearing today, Ling?
I'm wearing a skirt and pants.
I'm wearing a sweater and pants. Can you say it again? Ambis na cellphone ate, be, ate off ate. Ambis sa cellphone ate,
I'm,
ate off ang sound.
I'm wearing a sweater and pants.
Okay, next. What color is the sweater?
It is orange, and
Okay.
her pants, it, and the pants, the color orange.
Okay, next.
Was you wearing a sweater today?
Mm-hmm. Okay, now. It's hot. I'm wearing a t-shirt and skirt.
What it is the skirt, the t-shirt?
Mm-hmm. It's purple.
What color is the skirt?
It is green.
Are you wearing suit?
No, it's too hot. All right, so now, baby, we have exercise number 6, ordering. Put the words into the correct order. For example, is he wearing a suit? He is wearing a suit. Okay, so number 1, what is your answer on the number 1, baby? Number 1 is,
He is wearing a suit.
okay, number 2 is,
What are you wearing?
number 3 is,
Uh, I like.
okay, sorry. Number 3 is,
Um, I like wearing a t-shirt and jeans.
okay, number 4 is,
I am a sweater. I am wearing sweater sweater brown.
okay, can you try it again? I am,
I am wearing a sweater brown.
I am wearing a brown sweater. Okay, can you try it again, baby? I am wearing
I am wearing
a
sweater
brown.
a brown sweater.
Okay, very good. Okay, number 5. How about your number 5?
What is color the t-shirt?
What is the color?
T-shirt.
What is the color t-shirt?
Yes.
What is the t-shirt color? Okay, can you say it? What is the t-shirt color?
What is the t-shirt color?
Okay, very good. How about number 6?
What do he like wearing?
Mm-hmm. Number 7.
The s- the suit is yellow and purple.
Okay, number 8.
I am wearing black suit.
All right. Very good. So now, baby, we have exercise 7. Your turn to ask. So, baby, you need to ask me the question. For example, what is James wearing? Then teacher will answer you, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Start now.
Uh, Jim wearing is t-shirt.
No, 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 baby. You need to ask me
Ah,
the questions.
what is Jim wearing?
James is wearing a t-shirt.
What's Helen wearing?
Helen is wearing a skirt.
What is Yuko wearing?
Yuko is wearing a shoes.
What is Takashi wearing?
Takashi is wearing a suit. Okay, so now ask me these questions as well. Okay, start with number 1.
What do you like wearing?
I like wearing t-shirt.
What do your mother or father like wearing?
They also like to wear t-shirt.
What do your brother or sister like wearing?
The sister like to wear dress.
What do your husband or wife like wearing?
They like to wear jacket. Okay, so now, baby, your turn to answer. So I will be asking you questions, okay?
Okay.
All right. What is Jan wearing?
John wearing t-shirt.
Okay, what color of the t-shirt?
Is white.
Okay, it's color white. How about Tim? What is Tim wearing?
Tim wearing sweater.
Okay, sweater. Okay, can you say it again? Sweater.
Sweater
Okay, and what color is the sweater?
is gray.
Okay, great. How about Evie? What is Evie wearing?
Ivy wearing white. A shoe
Okay, so what is the color of the shoes?
is yellow.
All right, how about Ling? Is Ling wearing a jacket, baby?
No.
Oh, no?
Ling wearing dress
Okay, what is the color of her dress?
is a red.
Okay, the color of her dress is red. Okay, so now, next. What do you like wearing?
I like wearing t-shirt and
Why do you,
jacket
oh, t-shirt and jacket. Why do you like to wear t-shirt and jacket?
because it's good.
Okay, it's good. How about what does your mother or father like wearing?
My father like t-shirt. My
Hmm?
mother like dress.
Oh, very good. What does your husband or wife like wearing?
My husband like uh t-shirt.
And the wife?
Uh uh and t-shirt.
Oh, also t-shirt. What does your brother or sister like wearing?
My brother like wearing is t-shirt.
Oh, also t-shirt. Okay, so thank you so much, baby, for that. So congratulations on finishing the new this lesson. So we can already proceed to the next lesson. Lesson 29. So lesson 29, we have here what does she look like? So the learning objectives of this one. So in this lesson, you will learn how to talk about what people look like. So now, exercise 1, warm up. Listen and repeat these words and sentences with your tutor. Okay, can you say brown?
Brown.
I have brown eyes.
I have brown eye.
Blue.
blue.
He has blue eyes.
She
He,
he have blue eyes.
okay, very good. Next, green.
Green.
She has green eyes.
She has green eyes.
Okay, so now let's practice answer the questions by filling in the blanks. So for example, what color are her eyes? So you are going to say she has a green eye. So again, what color are her eyes?
She has green eyes.
Okay, very good. How about you, baby son? I mean, baby, baby Mian, what is the color of your eyes?
Uh, I I has brown eye.
Oh, brown eyes. Okay, how about this one? What color are his eyes?
He has blue eyes.
Mhm. How about this? What color are your eyes?
I have brown eyes.
Mhm. What color are their eyes?
They have black eyes.
Okay, so we have brown, green, brown, and blue. So their eyes right here on the girl are also brown. Okay?
Okay.
So actually there is no black eyes at all. All the eyes are maybe some brown, blue, green, but there is no black eyes. Maybe it looks like black at the dark area, but most of all or mostly they have brown eyes. Okay, so now baby, since we don't have much enough time and we only have few seconds left, so let's just continue this one in our next class, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so for tonight, baby, thank you so much. And sorry if teacher needs to off my camera as my eyes are red and swollen because it was bitten by some bees. So that's why I keep on touching my eyes. So it's better if I off my camera so that you cannot see it. Okay, so
Okay.
for tonight, baby, thank you so much. Good night and see you again on our next class. Bye bye.
Bye.
Good night.